Yeah, hello everyone. Day 171 here at Industrial Fabrication Company. Filming a bit out of order. Had to get out of here a little early on Wednesday, and yesterday I was just busy at the end of the day, but I'm in here today on Friday because we have a customer coming to inspect, but I'll kind of recap each day on separate videos here. On Wednesday, we made lots of great progress on the projects, but also a ton of really good improvements. Some of them here. So on this cart, Aaron was realizing, hey, when I'm moving this around, I'm frequently having to get the leads out of the way, drape them around. So he put these two saddles on so he can wrap it up and move it around. They're held safely, in a good way. So it's both respecting the equipment, making it more reliable and consistent, because you're not going to have the wheels run into it and potentially do anything to the liner, and easier to move around. Overall fantastic improvement there. And then kind of similar, just taped up the leads a little bit so it's easier to move them around. So that was great. Jamie realized that when he's cutting, and we then have produced some drop. So we have we have a 20-foot piece, and maybe we have 7 feet left over. That we oftentimes are then having to go back later on and hunt down what that is, but he already knew what it was right when he cut it. So he gave us a list, and so it's for stuff like this. We've cut most of it, but there's a little bit left, and we put, is it domestic material, what job it's from, how long it is, so we know what it's from if we need to hunt down the back end information for it. But from that, we then realized, hey, we can plug that into our cut list optimizing software and have it just stored there. So he can get us that list, and then we have it right there. So if we ever need to go, when we're quoting new jobs and we're trying to figure out what we have, it's already in that list. So that was great. Ristine also made some improvements in the bender area. I think it showed previously that we were using a strap now to hold down the jack, but what we realized is that when you do that, it really was bending this plate. So added in this channel here to stiffen it up, and then also we had a lot of extra strap on here, so we just cut that off so that we don't have more in the way and it's easier to work with. So that was great. And then some other things as well, and that's why I don't want to do these couple days late, because I'm forgetting some things, but I know Michelle and Andrew and Dan were making some good improvements too. So happy to see where things are going, and it was a good one.